Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily log in into your Weverse account. It's very easy and can be done just in few steps. But if you haven't created an account yet, make sure to check our other video where you can learn how you can easily create an account for your Weverse. So let's get started. First of all, open Weverse app on your phone. There you will see a page like this. If you have used your email to create an account, you'll have to enter your email, or if not, you can also use your Twitter or your Google account or even your Apple account to get started or to log in back into your account. So here I'm going to use my email because that's what I used to create an account. Enter your email there. After you're done entering your email, click on continue with this email. After that, you will be asked to enter the password that you created earlier. Enter the password. After you're done entering, click on login. And after that, you will be taken to a page like this, and there at the bottom you will see the option to join/login. Click on it. And that's it. You have now been successfully logged into your Weverse account. Thank you for watching till the end. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe the channel for more updates.